Hey there! Ever feel like your Xiaomi phone's memory extension feature is gobbling up your storage? No worries, I've got you covered. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to turn off memory extension on your Xiaomi device. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Xiaomi phone settings app. Then, scroll down a bit until you see additional settings. Tap on it. Next, find and tap on memory extension. After that, simply toggle off the memory extension feature. Now, it will prompt you to reboot your phone. Go ahead and hit that reboot button. Once your phone boots back up, the memory extension feature will be disabled. And there you go! That's how easy it is to disable memory extension on any Xiaomi phone, whether it's an MI, Redmi or Poco model. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button. Want more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi device? Don't forget to subscribe because I've got loads more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now!